Hey guys, this is Mimi. Thanks for stopping by. I know it looks and sounds like a bootleg Asian movie because my voice and my lips are matching. But yes. Anyways, there's no makeup on my eyebrows because I'm gonna show you how to shape, shade, and set in seconds your bulletproof brows. Yep.
What you'll need is, of course, a mascara. I'm using L'Oreal's Feline in waterproof. And then you're gonna need a lash comb. I recommend it. If you want bolder, fierce brows, then just use a mascara. But a lash comb, I like the metal one because it picks up the hairs really well. And then you're going to need a towel or a napkin and a mirror, and that's basically it. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna forget this. You're going to need, oh, this is optional. You're going to want to use an angled eyeliner brush so that you can take some of the mascara and apply it to the sparse areas. Okay, so I'm gonna start. So you're gonna take the mascara wand from the tube and you're gonna take out the excess. Try not to use a cotton pad. I tried doing that and wiping it on a cotton pad, but the fibers got all over the mascara. I didn't like that. So yeah, just get on a towel, and then so you won't have as much to take off with the lash comb in the end. So you're saving yourself time, and time is what's important with your makeup.
Okay, so I am brushing my hairs up. I'm starting to do that. And I'm having a light hand with this mascara one because you don't want, well, you want to avoid as much as possible putting mascara on your skin because that will create blotches and it'll look too dramatic and uneven and it'll look like you have something in your eyebrows. And yeah, I'm brushing it sideways up from bottom to top, and that helps put the hairs up. And then I'm brushing it downwards so that it'll be more dimensional, but I don't like the look of this, so I'll brush it back up so that my shape will be defined. And then you can brush it horizontally, which will define it even more, but I don't really like that look. For me personally, I like it bushy, so I like to brush it upwards and to the side.
So I just completed this eyebrow. I'm gonna do the second eyebrow, and then afterwards I'm gonna compare both of them and see where I need to fill in with more mascara. And if I'm struggling with the mascara, then I use an eyeliner brush to then make hair like strokes where there's bald spots. So I look a little funny because I have this eyebrow done, but this one's not done. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so this is the bushy side, and this is the defined side. By going horizontally, it defines your shape. But going up and to the side, it creates a more bushy eyebrow. I like bushy, so I'm doing this sideways. Both brows with mascara on, and now I'm going to brush through the brows it'll get rid of the clumpiness. Yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use an eyeliner brush and I'm going to run it through the mascara, and then I am going to apply it to the sparse area. I know I have a bald spot and what about this mascara? You think you're gonna make a mistake? But it dries really, it sets really quickly. So, it's a little short here. It sets really quickly.